Guys, welcome back. Today in this video we'll be looking at the flutter drop down widget, the drop down button widget, and also styling it to look as you see it here. Let me refresh my app. As you see, my drop down button widget is well styled with a border. I removed the underline. I would like to show you how I did it. So let's dive in and try to implement it. Okay guys, let's dive in and see how to implement it. So we'll be using a stateful widget, don't forget that. So let's create a widget here and call it dropdown. So in the widget we'll be returning a drop down button. Then also not forgetting, so we have created a value here called drop down value, which is a string type. Let's also create a list of strings and call it items. So we'll be having so we set this array to this items array. Okay, we have mapped the items. So let's also finish the on change callback, which also be outputting a string. Input an object, new value, call it new value. Set state. Now inside here, every time we get a new value, we set it to the value here we initialize. We set it to this string drop down value. So here we'll be saying drop down value will be equal to new value. Okay, expected this. So let's also add the value, which is the drop down value. Next will be the icon. Should be icons dot arrow down. Put some elevation, say 16. And also the underline, which is a container. So yeah, we don't need the underline, so we just leave the container empty. We don't want our input to be underlined. So let's save this. Okay, so not forgetting to put the first value of the drop down value as one of the items in the list. Let's save that. So when you save that, we get this. As you see, this is our drop down. Select, when you select, you get it. So let's go to the part for styling it to look better. So to style it, we need the following. So to style it, we need to wrap this with the types, and also not forgetting also to map it again with a padding. Okay, let's say here only, and we pass to the right, to the right. Then also the decoration, we will need the, so in the box decoration we will just pass decoration, then box decoration inside there we'll pass the color, then the borders dot all, then we give the borders the color gray, width, the width of the border line which is 1, then the style of the border style which is a solid, then also the border radius of 5. Let's save this and see our results here. As you see, text field has already changed. So guys, thanks for watching. This is all I can do on the style. You can do more styles about this text field, this drop down button, by changing the color and all that. So guys, see you in the next video.